Welcome to the Wii Robot Party. As you can see, I just arrived in the Robotaxi. The cost of autonomous transport will be so low, you can think of it like individualized mass transit. We'll move from supervised full self-driving to unsupervised full self-driving, where you could fall asleep and wake up at your destination. The vast majority of the time, cars are just doing nothing. So what would happen if you have an autonomous world is that you can now turn parking lots into parks. Something we're also doing is inductive charging. The Robotaxi just goes over the inductive charger and charges. The Optimus robots will walk among you. And what can it do? It can do anything you want. Oh, and what happens if you need a vehicle bigger than a Model Y? I think it's going to be a glorious future. With that, let's party!
Rage.
Is that all you got?
Beast mode.
Awesome!
Look, and then it stops. That's the point.
This is amazing! The future is now! Love it!